Good morning, students. Today we are going to see gunas and classification of Virechan Dravyas. So, principles of Ayurveda indicate that once morbid biohumors, that is morbid doshas, expelled out from the body, then there is never they get accumulated in the body, or there is a least chance of recurrence of Vyadhi. So Panchkarma therapy emphasis on expulsion of aggravated biohumors from the body. So in Panchkarma, Virechan is a purgation therapy, which is second one among five in sequence that we do first Vaman, then Virechan, and most widely used purification therapy. Special condition for Pitta disorder, that is Virechanam Pittaranam Sreshtam. So Virechan is easiest and widely used therapy for expulsion of morbid doshas from the body. So, Virechan Dravyas are indicated in various disorders like Kushta, mainly there are Rakta Vikaras or skin diseases, then Jwara, Prameha, Visuchika, Krimi Koshta, Visarpa, Kamala, Swasa, Kasa, etc. Like you have heard that Tamaketu Virechanai or Pakshagatetu Virechanam. Then, since from the time period of Acharya Charak till now, so many purgative drugs are coming into existence, and these are described as their properties, part used, and physiological basis. So, Acharya Charak has classified into Mrudu, Sukha, and Tikshna Virechak, which we have studied in previous class. According to Sarandar, it is classified in four types like Anuloman, Samsan, Vedan, Rechan. So in Charak Samhita, various drugs are mentioned in different context of Charak Samhita. So in Sutrasthan first chapter, there have been explained 11 Mulini Dravyas, 10 Falini Dravyas, 2 Kshiri Dravyas, and 3 Barks drugs. Barks means Twakka of Mula. Then in chapter 2, 15 purgative drugs in second chapter, and in fourth chapter of Sutrasthana, 20 drugs, that is 10 Vedaniya and 10 Virechanopad Mahakashayas are explained. So in chapter 25th, many drugs of choice for purgation like Yava for formation of Balka Stula, then Trivruta as a Sukha Virechak, Aragvad as Mrudu Virechak, Snuhi as a Tikshna Virechak has been mentioned. There is a dedicated 7 to 12 chapters in Kalpasthana has been explained with 245 formulations which were prepared from 9 drugs for purgation. This all we'll see further in further class. In Sushruta, 28 drugs considered as a purgative which were explained in 39th chapter of Sutrasthana. And in 44th chapter Sutrasthana, various drugs like base part of their use like root of Trivruta, bark means twak of Tilvaka, fruit of Haritaki, Eranda Tela, Karavelaka juice, and a Snuhi Kshira, that is latex of Snuhi, should be used for Virechan. In Vagbata, most of Virechan Dravyas are explained in Ashtang Sangra and which are similar as Charak Samhita. But Mahakashayas explained in Charaka in Vedaniyan Virechana Upaga Mahakashaya, while Ashtang Sangra has mentioned only Vedaniya Mahakashaya. Then Virechana Kalpa Dravyas mentioned in Kalpasthana is similar with Charak Samhita. In Ashtang Hridaya, 13 drugs are narrated in Shodhanadi Ganas, where milk and urine also considered as purgation. Then in Kalpasthan of Ashtang Hridaya and Ashtang Sangra is also same. So what is the Panchapautikatva of drugs? So Virechan Dravyas are Jala and Prithvi Mahabhuta dominant, that mentioned in Charak Kalpasthan first chapter, that Tatra Doshahanam Urdhva Bhagam Vamana Sannigam. जो दोषों को ऊर्ध्व भाग से निकलता है उसको वमन बोलते हैं. देन अधोभागम गिरेचनम संज्ञकम, जो दोषों को नीचे के द्वार से निकालते हैं उसको विरेचन बोलते हैं. सलिल पृथ्वीव्यात्मक त्वाद अधोभाग प्रभाव च औषध स्यादः प्रवर्तते. That means विरेचन द्रव्यास having prabhava of adhobhagahara, and they are dominant of Prithvi and Jala Mahaput. As we cannot consider that Prithvi and because of Prithvi and Jala Mahaput only they are working as a Virechak, because many drugs have Prithvi and Jala Mahaput dominancy, but they have not property of Virechan. So mainly they are acting on their prabhavas. So what are the qualities of Virechan Dravyas? So Tatra Ushna Tikshna Sukshma Vyavahi Vikasi Nya Aushadani Swavidena Hudayam Upetya Damnira Nusutya Sthula Anu Strotobhya Kevalam Sharirab Gatam Dosha Sangatam Agneyatvat Vishyandanti Dayanti Takshnat Vichindanti स विच्छिन्न परिप्लवन स्नेह भाविते काय स्नेहात् भाजनस्थम इव क्षौद्रम सज्जनम अनुप्रवण भाव. So in Charak Kalpasthan first chapter, these are same qualities of Vamana, except Vamana is Urdhvabhaga Prabhava, in Virechana Adhobhaga Prabhava. So Ushna, Tikshna, Sukshma, Vyavahi, Vikasi and Adhobhaga Prabhava. So what Ushna Guna do? It is Agneya Guna Pradhana, mainly do Pachana. Then it causes Daha, Sweda Pravartana. So by this property, Virechan Dravyas do Vishyandana and Pachana of dosha occurred, and after melting of these dosas, it helps them to move from Shakha to Koshta. So उष्ण द्रव्य पहले दोषों का पाचन विसंदन करते हैं और पिघलने के बाद वो आमा शाखा से कोष्ठ में आने के लिए मददरूप होता है. सो इन तीक्ष्ण गुण इट इज आग्नेय गुण प्रधान. सो इट इज ऑल्सो कॉज दाह, पाक एंड श्रवण ऑफ दोषास. सो तीक्ष्ण गुण गिव्स promptness to action, quick, it acts as quickly. Okay, so Tikshna Guna do Pachana and Chedana of doshas and do excretion from their sight and helps to Sroto Sodhana. Then Sukshma, it is Akasha, Vayu and Tej Guna Pradhana. So by this property, Virechan Dravya can passes through minute channels. These gunas have Anu Prabhava Bhava. Anutva means minute and Pravanatva means they can enter in minute channels. Pravanatva means it can help dosha to move towards Koshta from Shakha through minute srotas or minute channels. So Sukshma Guna also has Snigdhata, so it can act rapidly. So Virechana Dravya can enter into Anusrotas, minute channels, then by Ushna Tikshna property, Dosha Pachana, Vishyandana and Koshta Abhigamana happens. Then Vyavahi property, so the Dravyas which show their pharmacological actions throughout the body before getting absorbed is called as Vyavahi. So before Virechana Dravya get absorbed, they spread into whole body, like body, and other properties like Ushna Tikshna, they do start their action. Then Vikasi Dravya, it is a potency that it can separates ojas from the dhatus and can also produce Shaithilyata in the sandhis and can expands the entire body within no time. So it can spread all over body very quickly. Because of this property, Virechana Dravyas separate morbid doshas from the dhatu. Then Adobhaga Prabhava. So it is Achintya Guna of Virechana and it consists of Prithvi and Jal Mahabhut. But even the drugs having dominance of these two Mahabhut may not have Virechana property. But because of Prabhava, they do their action. So, in brief, due to its Vyavahi and Vikasi, they get quickly circulated into large and small capillary of the body. It spread to whole body. So, by virtue of Ushna and Tikshna qualities, the connotated vitiated doshas get liquefied and breaks up into small pieces at cellular level. पहले वो देवाई विकासित की वजह से पूरी बॉडी में फैल जाते हैं, फिर उनकी उष्ण तीक्ष्ण प्रॉपर्टी की वजह से जो अक्यूमुलेटेड दोषा होते हैं उनको लिक्विफाइड और ब्रेकअप करते हैं, जो माइक्रो हमारे सेल्यूलर लेवल पे होता है वहां पे. देन बिकॉज ऑफ विकासी गुण it detached mala and vitiated that doshas from the dhatu, and because of sukshma and anu pravanabhava properties, the malas and doshas float because already body has got samyaka snigdhata and pass through smallest capillaries and ultimately reaches to Pakvashaya. So detached malas would not obstruct even small capillaries because asajjanna miti na vachidapi sanga gacchati. Okay, then Virechana Dravyas are because of Prithvi and Jal Mahabhuta dominancy, and so due to these gunas, gati of Dravyas are towards Adobhaga, that is towards Buddha. So now, after properties, which are Virechana Dravyas, we can use for Virechana Karma. So medicine which we use for Virechana Karmas called as Virechana Dravyas. So here, Chaturangulo Mrudu Virechanam Shreshtam, Trivrutam Sukha Virechanam Shreshtam, Snukyapas Tikshna Virechanam Shreshtam. मतलब Aragvada is based for Mrudu Virechan, Trivruta is based for Sukha Virechan, Snuhi is indicated as Tikshna Virechan, and Yava Purisha Jananam Shreshtam. So Yava for bulk Purisha Janana, it is helpful for Purisha Janana. So Acharya Charak has explained Virechan Kalpas, that is formulation of Shyama Tivrut, Aragvada, Lodra, Snuhi, Saptala, Shankili, Danti, Drava in Charaka Samhita Kalpasthana, and about 245 yogas has been explained. So in Susutta Samhita 44th chapter Sutrasthana, it is explained that Arunabam Trivrut Moolam Shreshtam Mula Virechani means Mula of Trivruta is, that is Shyama Trivruta is based for Virechana. Pradhanam Tilvakas Tvakshu Phaleshwapi Haritaki, that means Tvaka of tilvaka is best for virechana, and as a phala, if we want to use phala for virechan, then haridaki is best. As we know, haridaki anulomanam shreshtam. Then Taileshverandajam Tailam Swarase Karavelikam. That means Eranda Sneha is based as Taila Virechan Dravya, whereas if we want to use Swaras, then Karvelaka is based for Swarasa Virechan. Then Sudapayah Payastuktamiti Pradanya Sangraham. That means if we want to use Dugdha as a Virechan Dravya, then Snohi Kshira is based as a Kshira Virechan Dravya. So we will see classification of Virechan Dravyas depending upon their origin of part or part used, then depending upon intensity of action, according to mode of action, and according to season. And in which season we want to, that means if we want to in Varsha Rutu, then which Dravyas we can use. If we common Dravyas for all the seasons have been explained in Sharangdar Samhita. So according to origin and parts used, so mainly animal origin and plant origin. So in animal origin, urina, that is mutra, milk, and takra. Whereas in plant origin, mulini, that is root, phalini, that is fruit, shira means latex, and twak, that is bark, can be used. So firstly, we will see animal origin. So use of urina for virechan karma. So kshiram, in Ashtang Sangra Sutrasthan, it is explained that kshiram madam mastuta takra dadya nyamla mutrani cheti virechano upayoginihi. That means whenever it is explained in Ashtang Sangra that whenever there is no given particular uh, origin, then we can use gomutra. Here he has not explained mutrani. He has not explained any particular animal of which we can use mutra of that particular animal. That time we can use mutra of go. That means cow's urine we can use as a virechan. Whereas in Charak Sutrasthana first chapter, he has given Mukhyani Yani Dishtani Sarvani Atreya Shasane Avimutram Ajamutram Gomutram Mahisham Chayat Astimutra Tho Ashtrasya Ayasya Cha Kharasya Cha Ushnam Tikshna Matho Aruksham Katukam Lavananvitam Mutra Mustadane Yuktam Yuktam Male Paneshu Cha Yuktam Asthapane Mutram Yuktam Chapi Virechane. That means here he explained Avi, that is sheep, Aja, goat, cow, Mahisha, husky, elephant, Ushtra, camel, horse, and donkeys. Urine we can use for virechan because they have Ushna Tikshna, Aruksha, Katu, and Lavana Rasa qualities which we can use for Utsadana, Alepana, Asthapana, that means Asthapan Basti, and for virechan karma. Then use of Kshira for virechan karma. Then in Ashtang Sangra Sutrasthana, Kshiram Madam Mastu Takra Dadyanam Dhanyamla Mutrani Cheti Virechanopyogini. That means Kshira of Kava can be used as virechan. Then according to Charak Sutrasthan first chapter, Avikshirim Machakshiram Gokshiram Mahisham Chayat Ustrinamatha Naginam Vadavayaha Striyasthatha प्रायशो मधुरम स्निग्धम शीतम स्तन्यम पयोमतम नस्याले पावगाहेषु वमनास्थापनेषु च विरेचने स्नेहने च पयः सर्वत्र युज्यते. That means Ksheer of avi, sheep, a goat, goat, cow, mahish, buffalo, rooster, camel, elephant, horse, and stristanya can be used as virechan because they have property of madhura snigdha shita, and they can specially use for nasya, alepa, avgaha, vamana, virechana, and sneha. Then use of takra for virechan. Here क्षीरम मदम मस्तु दधा द- तक्र दधान्याम्ल मूत्राणि चेति विरेचनोपयोगिनी है. That means go dugdha can be used to make takra, which can be used as purgation. Then plant origin mulini, falini, kshirentvaka. So use of mulini dravyas for virechan karma. अस्थिदंती हेमवती श्यामा तीव्रत गुड़ा सप्तला श्वेतनामा च प्रत्यक्षेणी गवाक्षपी ज्योतिष्मती च बिंबी च क्षणपुष्पी विषाणिका अजगंधा द्रवंती च क्षीरिणी चात्र षोडशी क्षणपुष्पी च बिंबी च शर्दने हेमवत्यपि श्वेता ज्योतिष्मती चैव योज्या शीर्ष विरेचने एकादशावशिष्टायाः प्रयोज्यास्ता विरेचने इत्युक्ता नाम कर्मभ्याम मूलिनी मूलिन्या फलिनी शृणुः. So in Charak Sutrasthan first chapter it is explained 11 mulini dravyas can be used for virechan karma. So which are they? So they are Astidanti Shyama Trivrut, Shweta Trivrut, Adhoguda, that is virechan, Saptala, Pratyek Karshani, that is Danti, Gavakshi Indrayana, Vishanika, Avartaki, Ajaganda, and Dravanti. So in Sutras, Sushruta Sutrasthan 39 chapter, he has explained Vivruta Shyama Danti Dravanti Saptala Shankhini Vishanika Gavakshi Chagalantri Snukak Swarna Kshiri Chitraka Kinihi Ushakasha Tatra Tilvaka Purvanam Mulani. So which are they? Trivruta, Shyama Trivruta, Danti, Dravanti, Saptala, Ishanika, Gavakshi, Shagalantri, Snuhi, Swarnakshiri, Chitraka, Kinihi, Usha, Kasha. So in Ashtang Sangra, Sutrasthan 14 chapter, Acharya Vagbhata has explained Trivrucha Madanti Dravanti Shankhini Saptala Ajaganda Ajashrungi Vacha Gavakshi Chagala Stri Suvana Shri Chitraka Kinihi Ruswa Panchamula Ruswa Panchamula Shvi Shiva Punarnava Palakam Kashavam Astuka Shakam Sama Salamulani. So they are 20. They are Trivruta Shama Trivut Danti Dravanti Shankhini Saptala Ajaganda Ajashringi Vacha Gavakshi Shagalantri Swarnakshiri Chitraka Kinihi Hrusva Panchamula Vrushvika Punarnava Palanakasha Vastuka and Sala. Then use of Falini Dravyas for Virechan Karma. Sankinyata Vidangani Trapusham Madanani Cha Damargavam Ikshvaku Jimutam Krutavedanam आनुपम स्थलजम चैव क्लितकम द्विविधस्मृतम प्रक्रिया चोकर चोदक्रिया च प्रत्यक्पुष्पा तथा अभया अन्तः कोटरपुष्पी च हस्तिपर्ण्याश्च शारदं कम्पिलका आरगवदयो फलं यत् कुटजस्य च दामार्गवम् इक्ष्वाकु जिमुतं कृतवेदनं मदनं कुटजं चैव त्रपुषं हस्तिपर्णिनि एतानि वमन चैव योज्यानास्थापनेषु च नस्तः प्रच्छदने चैव प्रत्यक्पुष्पा विधीयते दशयान्यवशिष्टानि तान्युक्तानि विरेचने. So, except Dramargav, Ikshvaku, Imutaka, Krutavedana, Madanphala, Kutaja, Trapusha, Hastiparni, which may use for Vamana and Niroha and Vamana and Niroha and Apamarga for Shiro Virichan, that is Nashya. So remaining 10 Farid Dravyas can be used for Virichan Karma. So which are they? They are Shankhini, Vidanga, Anupaklitaka, that is Jalajashti Madhu, Sthalaja Klitaja, that is we commonly use Yashti Madhu, then Prakirya, Karanja, Udakirya, that is Lata Karanja, Avya Haritaki, Antakotar Pushpi, then Kampilaka and Aragvada. Then according to Susruta Sutrasthana, Kampilaka Falarajaha, Puga Haritakyam Amalaka, Vivitaki, Nilini, Chaturangula Eranda, Pugadinam Erandanam Falani. That means Puga Eranda Haritaki, Amlaki, Vivitaki, Nilini, Chaturangula Aragvat, and Kampilak can be used as a all these fruit of these dravyas can be used for Virechan. Then according to Astang Sangra, Trifla, Pilu, Priyala, Kuvala, Badara, Kakenduka, Kashmaryam, Parushaka, Draksha, Nilini, Litana, Kodakiya, Vidanga, Puga, Pachangula, Palani. That means Ashtang Sangra in Vagbhat has explained Trifla, Pilu, Priyala, Kuvala, Badara, Karkandu, Kashmiri, Parushaka, Draksha, Nilini, Klitanaka, Udakirya, Vidanga and Puga and Panchangula fruits can be used for Virechan. Then use of Shira Dravya for Virechan Karma, that is Nohik Shiram Virechane, Shiram Arkasya Vignayam, Pamana Savirechane. In Charak Sutra Sthana first chapter, Snoik Shira and Arkak Shira can be used as Virechan. Then according to Susruta Sutrasthana 39 chapter, Saptachadar Arka Jyotishmati Che Tya Adobhaga Harani Sheshanam Kshiraniti. That means Saptachada and Jyotishmati can be used for Shira of Saptachada and Jyotishmati can be used as Virechan. Then Maha Ashtang Sangra, according to Acharya Vagbhata, महावृक्ष सप्तच्छद ज्योतिष्मति क्षीराणि क्षीरम मदमस्तु तक्र दद्यान्याम्ल मूत्राणि चेति विरेचनोपयोगी. That means क्षीर of महावृक्ष सप्तपर्ण ज्योतिष्मति can be used for virechan. So use of tvaka dravyas for virechan karmas. So they are इमास्त्रीनम परान वृक्षान नाहुर्येषाम हितास्त्वचः पुतिकः कृष्णगन्धा च तिलवकश्च तथा तरुः विरेचने प्रयोक्तव्यः पुतिकस्तिलवकस्तथा. So then कृष्णगन्धा परिसर्पे शोथे स्वर्शसु चोच्यते दद्रुद्विद्रदि गंडेषु कुष्ठे स्वत्यलजिषु च. So in Charak Sutrasthana, first chapter, Lata Karanja and Tilvak, that is Putika and Tilvaka, can be used as Virechan Dravya. Then, according to Susrutacharya, Tilvaka Kampilaka Karam Myaka Patla Tilvakadinam Patlana Patlantanam Tvacha means Tvaka of Tilvak, Kampilak, Ramyaka and Patla can be used for Virechan. And in Ashtang Sangra Sutrasthana Tilvaka, Ramyaka, Kampilyaka, Patali Tvacha. That means Tilvak, Ramya, Kampilaka and Patli Barka can be used for Virechan Karma. So according to intensity, we already have gone through this. That is Mrudu, Madhya, Tikshna. So Chaturangula can be used for Mrudu Virechana. Then according to Charaka, Gudam, Ikshurasam, Mastu, Shiram, Uloditam, Dadi, Payasam, Krushara, Sarpi, Kashmare, Trifla Rasam, Draksha Rasam, Pilu Rasam, Jalam, Ushnam, Matha Piva, Madhyam va Tarunam Pitva Mrudu Kushte Virechane. So in Mrudu Koshta, Guda, sugarcane juice, Mastu, Ulodita Dadi, Payasa, Krushra, Sarpi, Kashmari, Trifla Rasa, Pilu Rasa, Ushna Jala and Taruna Madhya can be used as Mrudu Virechan Dravyas. So Trivruta as a Sukh Virechan we can use. Then for Madhya Virechan also we can use Trivruta. In Tikshna Virechan, Smhik Shira can be used for Tikshna Virechan. So according to mode of action, for Anulomana, Haritaki, for Sramshana, Aragvad, then for Vedana, we can use Katuki. Also, it has explained Suvaha, Kaurubuka, Agnimukhi, Chitra, Chitraka, Chirabilva, Shankhini, Shakuladani, Swarnakshiri, iti Dashemani Bedayani Bhavanti. So as he has explained Vedaniya Dravyas that Suvaha, Triruta, Arka, Eranda, Agnimukhi, Chitra, Chitraka, Chirabilva, Shankhini, Katuki and Swarnakshiri can be used as Vedaniya Virechana Dravyas. And for Rechana, also Trivruta is based as a Rechaka. So here, according to Seasana Dravya for Virechan. So in Acharya Sharangdara has mentioned some Dravyas and their preparation as per season. That is in Sharangdara Uttar Tantra, 21st to 25th shloka, that Trivruta Kautajam Bijam, Pipali Vishwa Pesajam, Samudrikara Rasakshodram, Varsha Kale Virechanam. So for Varsha Rutu, Trivruta, Kutaja, Pipli and Shunthi can be used. And for Anupana, Drakshaswaras and Madhu should be used while using this Dravya. So for Sharad Rutu, Trivruta Durlabha Musta Sharkaro Udicya Chandanam Draksha Ambunam Sayastikam Shitalam Cha Dana Chaye. So for Anupana, Draksha Chala and Draksha Rasa and Yashti Madhu Hima used as Anupana of त्रिवृत दुर्लभा मुस्ता शर्करा उदीच्य and chandana. Then for hemanta rutu, trivrutam chitrakam patham अजाजीम सरलाम वचाम हेमक्षीरीम च हेमंते चूर्णम अंबुना चूर्णम उष्णा अंबुना पिबे. So here warm bottom can be used and anupana of Trivruta Chitraka Patha Jiraka Sarala Vacha Hemakshiri in Hemant Rutu. So for Shirisha and Vasant Rutu, Pipli Nagaram Sindhu Shyama Trivruta Yasaha Liheta Kshodrena Shishire Vasante Cha Virechana. So in Shishira and Vasanta Rutu, Pipli Nagar, that is Shunthi, Sindhu, that is Sendhav, then Shyama Trivrut can be used, and honey can be used as anupana. So churna of these dravyas can be taken, leha should be made, and that should be leaked. Then Tyuruta Sharkara Tulya Grishmakale Virechana. So Tyurut churna and Sharkara, that is sugar, can be used as Virechan in Grishmakala. So for all season, also Acharya Sharangdara has explained that Trivrutam Hapusham Dantim Saptalam Katurohinim Swarnakshirim च सच्चूर्ण्य गोमूत्रे भावयेत् त्रयम त्रयम एष सर्व तुको योग स्निग्धानाम मलदोषः. That means Trivruta Danti Hapusha Saptala Katuki Swarnakshiri. Powder of all these dravyas can be taken, and bhavna should be given by gomutra, and this can be used in whole season as a Virechan dravya. So lavana, that is sauvarchanam sendavam cha vidam udvidam meva cha samudrena sahitani pancha shu lavanani cha. 5 types of lavanas has been explained. Then snigdha ushnani tikshnani dipaniya tamani cha. So they are snigdha ushna tikshna and agni dipaka. So they can be used as alepanartha yujyante sneha sveda vidau tatha adobhago, that is virechan, urdhvabhaga, that is vaman, adobhage urdhvabhageshu niruhe anuvasane. Then some dravyas has been explained by Acharya Charak for expel the morbid dosas, that is kapha, pitta and mala from pakvashaya. They are Trivrutam, Triflam, Danti, Nilini, Saptalam, Vacham, Kampilakam, Gavakshim, Cha, Kshirinam, Udakiryam, Kam, Pilunya, Aragvadam, Draksham, Dravanti, Nichulani, Cha, Pakvashaya, Gate, Doshe, Virekartha, Prayojanam. Jait. So Trivruta, Trifla, that is Haritaki, Vidaki, Yamlaki, then Danti, Nalini, Saptala, Vacha, Kampilaka, Gavakshi, that is Indrayana, Kshirini, then Udaya Kiryaka, then that is Karan, then Pilu, Aragvada, Draksha, Travanti, and Nichula can be used to expel Pakvashaya Gata morbid doshas. Then in Ashtang Hruday, Sutrasthana 15th chapter, some medicine has been explained for Virechan Karma. They are Nikumbam, Kumbha, Trifla, Gavakshi, Snukshi, Shankhini, Nilini, Tilvakani, Samya, Kampilakam, Mehma, Dugdam, Cha, Mutram, Cha, Virechanani. So Nikumba, that is Danti, Kumbha, Nishotta, that is Trivrut, Trifla, Gavakshi, Snuhi, Shankhini, Nilini, Tilvaka, Shamyak, that is Amaltas, then Kampilaka, Hemadugda, that is Dugda, that is Godukta, and Mutra, that is Gomutra, can be used for Virechan Karma. So thank you. On next chapter, we will see 245 yogas explained in Shadvirechana Satashriti Adhyaya in Charak Samhita, first chapter. Thank you.